Hi everyone. Today I will be discussing about the landscape of the way the marketing works in terms of understanding intellectual property rights for real. What is important here is to understand the impact of the word communication network in any of the patent applications. Even if I see or whenever we perform something to called as freedom to operate in a particular jurisdiction, what happens is although patenting is jurisdiction in nature in terms of uh, there's a person with a nationality files in the home country, it might not be a home country, it can be any of the countries. Having said that, what is important here is to understand the impact. Say, for example, few of the cases which we dealt after the lockdown, because I'm not getting into before what lockdown happened and blah 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 blah. What is important right now is to understand the impact of the landscape in terms of the patenting era, which is, if we understand the law the way it has to be understood, is 20 years from the first date of filing. And in zillion applications you have multiple priorities. So multiple priorities means first application is called the first provisional, second application is the second provisional, third application is the third provisional, fourth application is the fourth provisional. And in many of the cases over the years, what have been seen in the landscape of, especially with companies like Microsoft, Qualcomm, and others like them, who are the bigger sharks in the industry in terms of understanding intellectual property rights the way it has to work. If you look into the aspect, there have been times where multiple priorities were claimed. That's point number one. Point number two is very important from the impact of PCT, that is Patent Cooperation Treaty, how that's going to work. You file it, it goes to the IB's International Bureau. From the International Bureau, it comes back to the home country, national phase, international phase, blah, 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 blah. However, if seen in the picture of a whole landscape of the kind of patent applications which have been granted, the sad state of affairs is very evident to everyone. There are zillion actors because I'm in the blockchain, so there have been companies like the one which is mentioned on my profile also. What they did was very interesting, and I think it is worth mentioning. One fine day, they sent extra money into the account which is allocated for